Hi, I am Sam. A lot of people don't have enough knowledge for the Poicephalus. So let me just explain a little bit of Poicephalus. Poicephalus might not want to cuddle, but they can be playful and outgoing, and many certainly love to be petted. Their color comes in brown, green, and yellow, and red. Their size belongs to medium. They can live up to 40 or 50 years. Their sounds are more like a vocal communicator. Their interaction with people is quite social. You can see the four prominent Poicephalus on the screen. Cape Parrot, Jardine, Meyer's Parrot, Senegal. Let's look at quick facts. Poicephalus parrots have a stockier build compared to other parrot species. Poicephalus tend to be a quieter parrot. Their diet and nutrition based on parrot food. Poicephalus parrots are big-boned birds, stockier than many other parrot species. They have blunt, broad tail feathers and large heads. These birds have a reputation for being among the quieter parrot species, and a very socialized Poicephalus parrot can make an excellent pet companion. Four Poicephalus commonly kept as pets: the Senegal parrot, Meyer's parrot, red-bellied parrot, and the brown-headed parrot. Poicephalus tend to be a quieter parrot species, and their smaller size makes them a good choice for those in apartments. The Poicephalus genus consists of 9 species, which are native to sub-Saharan Africa. Poicephalus like to climb about the cage, so make sure the cage you choose has horizontal bars, which allows the bird to climb all about the cage. Rope toys and ladders also encourage climbing, which is a good exercise for your pet Poicephalus. As with most parrots, Poicephalus parrots thrive on a pelleted base diet, such as fresh fruit and vegetables. While Poicephalus generally don't have a reputation as being as cuddly as other parrots, they can be affectionate, as well as playful, outgoing, and they are appreciative of having their heads and necks scratched. Poicephalus can be shy or phobic, so interactions should be positive and respectful. You don't wanna force interaction to the point where the only way your Poicephalus can effectively communicate with you is via a bite. Poicephalus parrots aren't on the quiet side of the parrot vocalization scale. They aren't known for their talking ability, but they might mimic sounds. Red-bellied parrots are said to be the best talkers of the Poicephalus parrot family. A main health concerns for Poicephalus parrots is aspergillosis, which is a common fungal disease in birds. Good care, including cleaning house, a balanced diet, and a non-stressful environment, can help minimize the likelihood of aspergillosis infection. Coronavirus, which is PDD, is another condition to watch out for. Signs of coronavirus infection include weight loss despite eating, and poorly digested food and regurgitation. It's time to get a Poicephalus. Poicephalus are available at large pet stores, at avian retail stores, from bird breeders. While there are a total of 9 Poicephalus species, 4 are more commonly available as pets. The Senegal parrot, Meyer's parrot, red-bellied parrot, and brown-headed parrot. The much large Jardin's parrot is also available, but more likely to be found in an avian specialty store or direct from a bird breeder. That's all for Poicephalus parrot. Thanks for watching.